We believe that technology is about making our life simple. For example, you should not have to worry about feeding your pet fresh food on time every day, like when you're busy or not home or just want to sleep in. Existing dispensers are manual and messy, and none of them can handle multiple cans as needed. Until now. Introducing PawBot, an elegant robot which automatically opens and serves canned food. PawBot is easy to use. Simply load up your pet's favourite food cans and some fresh bowls. Optionally, use a touchscreen LCD to change times you want food dispensed, and PawBot will open a food can and serve in a fresh bowl to your pet. It's really that easy. Perhaps you're wondering, how does PawBot really work? Let's take a look. First, using a magnetic key, we can unlock the safety door. Inside, there is a can opening device and a robot arm, an 18 can capacity, and a stack of fresh bowls. In order to serve food, PawBot first positions a fresh bowl, fetches a food can, signals a can opener to cut the lid, removes the lid. Shakes the food out into the bowl, dispenses the bowl, and washes and rinses itself in the wash bucket. Calls out to your pet.
Here, sweetie, dinner time.
Every few days you can add new supplies and clear trash. And yes, PawBot uses its eyes to automatically inventory when new cans are added. PawBot has an optional camera. You can access your robot remotely, get status updates, see a report of food eaten or wasted, view photos and videos, and send commands back to your PawBot. Our pets are our family, and we're crazy about them. And whether we're at home or on the go, PawBot can help you take care of them with fresh food on time every day. You can now have a real robot in your home which will wow you and your friends, and it will make your life simple. We invite you to join our PawBot family and learn more at pawbot.com. And thank you for your time today.